He says, even if there's no contact and we live 80 miles away, haven't seen her in 7 weeks. So for all you law of assumption OGs, I know you know what I'm about to say right now. Circumstances do not matter. It does not matter if your specific person lives across the world. It does not matter if the last time you two have spoken was in 2006. Circumstances do not matter, because as you shift internally, then your circumstances shift. If you have a desire to be with this person, the reason you desire it is because there's already a parallel reality existing right now where you are with that person. You wouldn't be able to even think about it if that reality didn't even exist right now. There are infinite realities existing right now in the quantum field. So in order to tap into that reality, to experience that reality, you need to change within yourself, because everybody and everything in your reality is reflecting your consciousness. And if right now you are identifying as a version of yourself who's not with them, who's noticing that you two are in no contact and you haven't seen her in 7 weeks and they're so far away from you, you are experiencing that reality where you and your specific person are not together. So if you want your specific person to be with you in your reality, you need to start embodying that version of yourself who's already with them now. And if you were with them now, you wouldn't focus on being in no contact with them and them, it's been 7 weeks. You want to impress your subconscious mind with, we are together right now. We're back together. Everything is perfect between us. Wake up every single day knowing this is true. No matter what the 3D is showing you, it doesn't matter if you guys haven't talked in years. You wake up every single day knowing that you two are together now. You two are in constant communication. They are right by your side and they don't want to leave your side because you are just so incredible and you're the love of their life. And when you wake up every single day knowing this is who you are, because your reality is always going to reflect back to you who you are being. You wake up every single day knowing this is who you are. Even if the 3D is showing you the complete opposite right now, that they are across the world, a bridge of events will unfold leading you to your desired end. It has absolutely no choice but to shift because you changed internally. Everything in your reality is reflecting your consciousness. So right now, let go of that old story. Stop telling the story of you two being in no contact. You haven't seen her in 7 weeks and they live 80 miles away. Let that story go and focus on your new story only. You are making that decision because that's all you need to do is to decide. Make that decision right now. You two are together now, and that's that. And you wake up every single day embodying this state of consciousness, and you watch how things unfold. Follow me for more tips.